G'day junkers. I picked up this little beauty for a whole $2. Potential beauty. It's probably broken, it's probably got problems, but it looks in fairly good nick. There's a bit of damage on the side, but you won't see that once it's installed. Okay, now someone's cut the cord, so that's the first thing I better see if I can repair. But it's got its hoses. This side's alright. Let's have a look. It's an older model, about 6 years old according to my research. A little bit of corrosion down there, but that's normal. I don't think it's missing a seal, but the seals look okay. The drawers work. Seems alright. It's relatively clean. See if it was okay. It's not too bad. Now I've never actually attempted to repair a dishwasher, so we'll learn together. Anyway, the top is missing, but that was a design feature. This is the Omega 707WB, B for bench top. Well, replacing a bench top is really easy if it needs to be installed, so don't know. We'll see. Okay, so first step, I've just temporarily connected a connection to the plug. Obviously blue to blue, green to green, red to red. I think that's an Australian standard. Well, it's obviously an Australian standard, but it could be standard in other countries. You can tell me. So it's all powered on. Now let's have a look. Okay, well it booted up. That's a good sign. And there's music. That's always a good sign. Okay. Okay. So that cycles through the program. Not sure what dual does. Okay, now if I press start pause, it should give me an error message. It's thinking. It's thinking. I hear rumbling. I think the pump's trying to work. Okay, so that stopped that. Little pause button came up. Restarts it. What's that? Okay. Very low light. I'm sure that isn't focusing right, but sorry for the sniffles. It's a bit of a dusty day. Ooh, it stopped. Countdown has moved. interesting. That's odd. This has a vibration in it. Something I didn't know about dishwashers, and I'm not sure if it applies to all of them, but this was quite heavy, and I don't know if you can see, but there's a piece of concrete in there. Go figure. Let's look at the inside. Okay, let's have a look. There's no water connected. The countdown is running. Curious. Okay, so it turns out it works perfectly. So now I replaced the cord there, put a bit of a longer one, as you can see, and assembled it back together. Now I haven't tested it with actually washing any dishes, so I don't know how efficient or well it washes dishes, but it all works. So for $2, I'd consider that a bargain. Bye.